Make a great choice today with the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.